Here's a question about a break in some concrete right around the handrail. What could be done to repair the chunk that's missing and the crack around that handrail?
Well, this is a really strange picture because I can't fully see what happened here. Is it a piece missing,
Yes.
or is that the shadow from the?
No,
There's
a
two
chunk
cracks.
missing and
There's
the
a
crack.
There's a chunk missing.
Yeah.
The only way to really repair that, as far as I'm concerned, would be to cut out about 2 feet by 2 feet and redo both of the cups of the rail and match it to the existing concrete. Because anything less than that, it is just not going to be strong enough. And unfortunately, you're going to have someone grab a hold of that rail and it's going to slip and be a problem. So the only real solution would be to replace enough of a section of concrete. And what I would do is get that section of concrete cut out, and then I would drill sideways into the existing concrete and pound some rebar in there so that the new concrete holds to the old concrete. And that way, weight wise, if you just cut it out and pour another piece, you always run that risk of that piece lifting out when someone grabs, or a kid leans on the end of that rail. But if you pin it into the existing concrete with rebar and then pour the new concrete into there, it will use the weight of all of the concrete to hold it together. It'll be less likely to come apart.